Hi, so this is my Google Classroom, and I did this class period where I organized it in a way that was easier for the students to understand. Because at the beginning of taking this class through UEN, I really did not know how to organize this for students to understand it. Because I never did it online before. So what I did on this one is I go to classwork and I organized all of these by topic. I didn't even know that you can do that. So this made it much easier for the students. Now, what I did was I put titles for each week and the assignments that they had to do and when they were due. So this is the introduction to the course. And, I put in there about myself. So I'll open it real quick. Has a picture of me and talks about course goals, and I only teach one class. So I put that on there. And then for this one, what I also learned from this class that I'm doing this video for is to have all the websites in one place that they're going to use throughout the quarter, because it would help me a great deal. And then they could just go to this one instead of searching it or maybe spelling it wrong. So I put all my resources on here. I went through all my classes and put what websites they would be going to. And then these are all the assignments and videos that I did. And I gave them, so there's some other assignments right here too. So I did it by week because it was easier. And these are the topics that we do. So this way they could watch the video and do the assignment. And if they have any questions, they can email me. So I just found this a lot easier because the first week it was a mess. I didn't know about the topic section. I didn't know, that you can organize it in this way, easy for them to understand. And also what I thought was cool is putting enrichment optional activities, because some students, want to do them. A lot of them are just videos that have to do with the content. So I thought that that would be very helpful for them. So I really like Google Classroom a lot. I was told by the instructor here that I could do this one instead of Canvas since I already had it set up. And another thing that's really awesome is that you can copy this class. I never knew that you can do that. So now I have all the information here and I can just modify it. Every quarter for 2 years, I was doing all brand new ones and posting, reposting, like all new stuff. Now this one has most of it, has all of it on there now, and it's very well organized. So it'll be easier for me to copy it from class to class. And I really learned a lot from this. And we're probably going to have to do, because of COVID, we're probably going to have to do some distance learning. So at least I will have this set up either way, and then students could go to it if they're, absent or, whatever. I always had that, but this is just better organized. So here is my class.